Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of ice box with the help of various commands available in the Fusion 360. For that, first here I am selecting this new design. Now I am going to just create a sketch. Now I am selecting this particular bottom plane. Here I will create a rectangle of, let's say, 100 mm by 200 mm. Now I finish the sketch. After finishing the sketch, here I am selecting extrude command and I will provide the thickness to this rectangle up to 20 mm. After providing the thickness, I will select this particular surface. I again select this create a sketch. Here I am creating circle of 20 mm. From here I am selecting this dimension and it's 20 mm, it's fine. Also 20 mm is fine. Okay. Now I am selecting this rectangular pattern. Selecting this particular object. And in this direction I will provide number of quantities 6. Yes. Now I press OK. Now finish the sketch. Now from here I select this extrude command, selecting all the profiles. Providing here minus 18 mm and press OK. So also you can provide here a taper angle of minus 10 degree so that you can easily escape the ice from this ice box. Now press OK. As you can see, we created the various hole of taper angle minus 10 degree. Now I provide here some fillet that water can easily enter inside the and press OK. Now I'm selecting this particular face, and this bottom face. And from here I select this shell command and here I provide thickness 7 mm. As you can see, it will create ice box. Press OK. After that, here I will provide outlet of 5 mm. Press OK. So as you can see, it will create such kind of icebox. Now I will provide the material to this particular icebox from here, that physical material. From here I select ABS plastic. Here I provide ABS plastic. So as you can see, you create 3x6 icebox. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe.